So this is the unboxing for the drone that I won from Dustin. So let's have a look. Comes with a very good case. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. So this is the FIMI drone XE 2020, I think. Yeah. Oh, before I look at, I see that we have a note. Hi Philip, congratulations on winning my FIMI X8SE 2020 drone giveaway. I hope you will have many enjoyable flights with it and capture some amazing pictures and videos. May your holidays be as best they can be this year. Let's look forward to a better year in 2021. Aloha from my family to yours, Dustin Dunnill. Very cool. Thank you, Dustin. I'll keep that always in the bag. So this is the drone. Looks really nice. Got some weight to it. Let me see how this works. Open this part, this one. Yeah. So this is the camera. So it's the first time I'm just checking this one. Yep, that's the camera. This is the protection for the camera. Then the battery. Really good. Really nice. Foldable arms. Yeah. So, and this should be the remote. Yeah. The manual. The sticks. Really nice. Yeah. I'll have to look at the manual. And this should be the propellers. Yeah. Come with a few. This should be the charger. Yeah. The battery charger and the cables to connect the remote to my phone. Yeah, it has the iPhone, the micro USB, USB-C, yeah, all the options, and power cable. Really nice. And the case is really nice too. Yeah, so this is great. So thank you again, Justin. This is a very cool present. So it's I'm very excited to test it out and capture some good videos around here. So again, thank you and bye bye.